Hi, this is Reggie Barroza again. I'm gonna do the part number 2 and play as a Bob. Bob is the developer. He has the mission to fix the code, to do the personal tests, and finally deliver the code to be deployed to Rebecca. And my mission is to fix the problem that Alex assigned to me. Here is my work item, and it tells me what needs to be done, and I can take a look. Let's see, I can call the transaction here. Transaction, it's AZ. What says here is type HCAZ, use the option 3, add medication, option 3, add medication, type a customer name or patient name, got the data, then I want to put the drug. Let's put something like vitamin EE plus. I did not specify any date here, and that I get the abend, and that's the problem, and that's what I like to fix. So what I need to do first is take the application, and I see the different perspectives I can use here. Right now, to load my code, I'm gonna use the work item perspective that goes to my JAS, and I'm connect to this JAS already. I just load the code, and that's my code. Load. I like to load to the ZOS. I don't want to load just some components. I like to load everything, all the problem, all the code. And I'm gonna move to this project here, and this is the definition, the building definitions I create for this project on the rational team concert. Let's say finish, and then start loading. It's pretty quick. Just move from, in this case, my rational team concert is on Linux, and I'm moving from Linux to the ZOS. Once it's loaded, I can start working on it. Bob now can associate this work as a current and say I'm gonna start working, and any person that is subscribed like Alex get a notification, so he can save and look to the code. Let's see the code, how the code is here. All the programs are here. So basically now he has to find where is the problem, and since there is an abend, it's fault analyzer. Fault analyzer, this perspective, I can get all the information about the different abends, and this is the one that I just had before. So I just double click on this, and it's loading. It's download the report, and here the program that has this, the problem is this one, and that explains why it has the problem. So basically on this line, the line 287, I have a compute. If I click here, I see exactly where is the code. So let's start working on that. Let's do again. Okay, I do a save, and now let's see the rational thing concert, the change. And you see here on the left the original, on the right the way that was, on the left the change I did make. So basically what I have to do is check in all the code. I check in all the code for the rational thing concert. Next step is to do the building. I want to do the what you call dependency building, and I also want to do a personal building. This is the PDS that's going to be created, and basically this building takes place using the ZOS agents on the mainframe. I have my mainframe here, and you see the agents working on the mainframe, and that's my master console of my mainframe. Okay, once this is finished, I should have the results in here. Okay, the build is complete. I can see the logs, and I can see here, for instance, the new binding of the package, since this program has a DB2. Also, I see which programs have been compiled, and and those are the warnings of this compilation, and I also can see the building report. You see here all the data sets that have been created. Now if I go to my CICS, I should have the application working. So if I go to the CICS, let's go to my CICS, I can start the transaction again. Let's say option 3, add medication, patient 45, let's say vitamin EE plus, and once I press enter, I get medication added. I can double check on the table, on the DB2 table. I have here my DB2, and this is the table I just added. Let's say data, I can say browse data, and you see here the vitamin EE that I just added here. So this is done. So what Bob can do now is he can say, okay, that's complete, and save. And what he's gonna do now would be the deliver. So basically he's gonna go to the pending change, and he's gonna deliver this code and associate this code with the work item. The work item that he's working on. And now it's going to the string. The next step would be do the package. You can use urban code to do that, and that's going to be another subject.